Zaki thinks he's safe. He worked hard for this $10,000 and locked it away in a glass jar. He thinks his wealth is protected, but he doesn't see the predator looming behind him. Meet the inflation monster. In 2026, this monster is hungrier than ever. It doesn't steal the bills. It breathes a gray fog on them. This is the silent tax that no one talks about. Look closely. The numbers on the bills haven't changed. It still says $100. But the power of that money is melting. What used to buy a car now only buys a motorcycle. By staying in cash, Zaki is losing the battle every single day. To survive 2026, Zaki must stop saving and start allocating. He transforms his dying cash into real assets. These are the monster's only weakness. As prices go up, these assets grow stronger to match them. The monster can't melt a house, it can't evaporate gold, and it can't stop the growth of the world's best companies. Zaki is no longer a victim of the economy, he is an owner of it. Inflation is a monster to the saver, but a wind in the sails for the investor. Which one are you? Your future depends on where you put your shield today. Ready to fight back? Download our 2026 Asset Allocation Guide in the description. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth to protect your fortune.